Illustration 4. So here chapter 2 illustration 4. From the following particulars of Poombuhar Literary Association, prepare receipts and payments account for the year ended 31st March 2019. So here again we need to prepare the receipts and payments account. Okay. So this is also an ledger account wherein we'll write all the cash receipts towards the debit side and cash payments towards the credit side. Okay, and receipts and payments account will always start with the opening balances of cash and bank and ends with the closing balances of bank and cash account. Okay, and we must not enter any non-cash items like depreciation or outstanding or prepaid expenses. Okay, so now you have your opening balance, that is cash in hand, and also bank overdraft. Okay, now this is your favorable balance, so you will write the opening balance in the debit side stating to balance brought down cash in hand rupees 5,000. Okay, the next opening balance is bank overdraft as on 1/4/2018 is given, which means this is the overdraft balance. So you have to take this towards the credit side as your opening balance, that is by balance brought down bank overdraft rupees 4,000. After writing your opening balances, go through all the remaining accounts and see which side it has to be written, whether it has to be written on the receipt side or towards the payments side. Okay, so now printing and stationery, which means it is not specified whether we have received or paid, so it is understood that it is the amount which is paid. Okay, it's an expense. In that case, we'll write this in the credit side, that is payment side. Interest paid, so the name itself says it is being paid, so you'll write it in the payment side. Then comes in sale of investments, which means you have invested and you're going to make a sale of it, which means you will get the cash now, so it comes under the head receipts. In purchase of refreshments, purchase means automatically you are spending the amount, so you will write this in the payment side. Outstanding salary, so as I said, in receipt and payments account we will not enter any non-cash items, which is outstanding salary means it is a non-cash item, so we are not going to enter this in the receipt and payment account. Then comes in endowment fund receipts. Endowment fund receipt is given, so you will write it in the receipt side. Lighting charges, it is not given whether we have received or paid, so it is automatically understood it is paid, so payment side. Subscription received, so receipt. Repairs and renewals, whether it is received or paid is not specified, automatically it should go to the payment side. Conveyance paid, so paid, the term paid is given, so payments. Books purchase, so when we purchase anything, automatically your cash will go out, you are making the payment, so you will write this as payment. Then insurance premium paid, again you have paid here, payment. Sundry receipts, you have your receipts here. Government grants received, okay, government grants received means again you will write it in the receipt side. Then comes in sale of refreshments, when we are making sale we will receive the amount, so you will write this in the debit side. Okay, next comes in depreciation on building. Depreciation is a non-cash item again, so we will not enter this non-cash item, that is depreciation, in your receipts and payments account. The last account which we have is cash at bank on 31/3/2019 2000. So this is your closing balance of cash, so you will write this as by balance carried down cash at bank. Okay, so cash at bank rupees 2,000 must be written here. Okay, so now since you have your bank balance, now as the opening balances we had both cash in hand and bank overdraft. Okay, Now we have the closing balance as only bank balance, so which means we have to find out cash in hand closing balances. Okay, so now as per whatever we have written like payments or receipts, you will write all the receipts towards the debit side and all the payments towards the credit side. After writing all these, you will not have only this information. Okay, total your debit side, you get 36,250. Okay, so now you have to calculate your credit side. Okay, find out what you get in the credit side, deduct that amount, and you get rupees 3,450. So now when we calculate all these values, okay, that is 4,000, all these values, you get 32,800. Okay, so which means when we reduce, we get 3,450. So again, your debit side has more value, that is amount, so we are writing that as the totals. Then reduce the total of your credit side, you get a balance which is your closing balance of cash in hand. Okay.